LUS is committed to our customers, from providing and maintaining energy-efficient utility services to friendly, helpful customer service. LUS is there because we don't just work in Lawrence County, we live here too.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Slowly dropping on through the 70s, getting down to the upper 60s for the overnight. We're going to have to broad brush the forecast a little bit because the short range models haven't had a good handle on the evening storms, both in the local area or the ones upstream. So we've had to raise rain and thunderstorm chances a little bit, just as a broad brush for the overnight and the early morning hours. Now into the Wednesday afternoon, evening time frame, there is a low in the level 1 out of 5 risk of severe storms across the area. Not expecting a big deal. Tornadoes are unlikely in the area, although the risk is not completely zero. They are unlikely. The main threats are gusty straight line winds and the potential for some localized flash flooding, in addition to small hail and some really frequent lightning with the thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoon and evening, but I do think there will be morning storms as well. Now, the HER model, it's been closer than some of the other ones, but it hasn't handled the evening storms that well at all. So between now and about 4 or 5 a.m. on this model, you're going to have to use your imagination a little bit and just assume, especially on the Tennessee side of the line, that there will be scattered showers and thunderstorms. As we get closer to 3, 4, 5 o'clock, I think even down into North Alabama, there will be scattered showers and thunderstorms, and they could start a little earlier into the early morning and the overnight than that as well. We're just having to broad brush things and play it safe because we know there are those scattered thunderstorms just off to the northwest that are sinking closer to the area. It's a question of how long they hold on, and the models are not handling it well. So we kind of have to play it a little safer than we usually would. Now, we're not expecting them to be severe overnight, not worried about any of that, just trying to time out the rain chances. We're having to broad brush it just a little bit. And then off and on at any time tomorrow morning, midday, afternoon, or evening, off and on waves of showers and thunderstorms, some of that rainfall locally heavy. I think by the evening, we're transitioning over to mainly just rain and thunder and the localized flooding threat that carries on into the overnight before things taper off toward daybreak on Thursday, but more scattered showers and thunderstorms on the docket for Thursday, as well as the cold front moves into the area. We're dry for Friday and I think Saturday across the area, although there could be some lingering showers pulling back westward into at least some parts of North Alabama and southern Tennessee as we head Sunday into early next week, wrapping around the west side of that upper level low. Lower 80s here the next few days, and then we ease back toward the mid 80s as we head to the first part of next week. So showers and thunderstorms scattered around as you get that first cup of coffee in the morning. Not expecting severe weather problems with the morning storms, but there could be some localized street flooding in addition to you being waken up by some loud thunder. And then off and on periods of showers and thunderstorms likely at times for our Wednesday here. Some of the rainfall locally heavy, daytime highs into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Scattered showers and thunderstorms for Thursday. Maybe a stray shower Friday. Can't completely rule it out. Chance of that is 10% or less as we see it now. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy for Saturday, and then some chance of a few isolated showers as we head Sunday into the first part of next week. We're trying to assess how far westward those showers will wrap around with the upper level low. So that's why we're not going too high with the rain chances just yet. It could be that it stays off to our east. We're assessing that as we go along. There's look at your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rawson is in the Weather Center tomorrow morning live at 6 a.m. with your wake-up weather forecast.